is moksha, Nitya?
Freedom, very loosely we translate it as freedom, liberation. But from what? From the prison of our minds. You have to look at it at two levels. So one is what Shastra speaks, what Vedanta speaks of, where we tie in karma and we say, oh, we've had so many births, let me be free from birth. I live a life of purpose and I try to embrace what makes me human, which is my humanity. I need to be humane. I need to see the value of life around me. So the first step is accept what is. This cannot be changed. Your body is what it is. The color of your skin, what is. The circumstances that you find yourself, yes, it is. You may like it or dislike it, that's a whole different story. Now what can I do? Accept. But is this my lot? Is this what I have to do? The Yoga Sutra tells us, Heyam Dukkham Anagati. Dukkham is there for everyone, preemptively. So the first step is acceptance.
You know, Shiva takes her in on his locks and then lets her out. So there is also the symbolism around him being the guru. Do you have any thoughts around that?